you've had a baby, you would know my experience. My baby was about 3 or 4 months old when the baby began to cry. Wow! Kami naman mga magulang, we rushed to the crib. Bakit, baby? Bakit? Wow! Bakit kaya? Baka gutom. And so we get the bottle of milk, give the bottle of milk, but the baby kept on, wow! Crying. Ano kaya? Hindi gutom. Baka kailangan palitan yung lamtin. And so we get a new diaper. But after changing the diaper, the baby says, wow! Hindi diaper. Aba, kailangan ng karga. Kabay, baby. Wow! Ayaw pa rin. Kabay, sana mahilo ka na. Sana mahilo. And we just kept on doing whatever. And 30 minutes na puro iyak. 30 minutes na puro iyak. Desperate na kami. You know what I did? I laid down my baby. I knelt in front of the baby. And I said, baby, parang awa mo na. Sabihin mo yung gusto mo at ibibigay ko, pero kailangan sabihin mo. You know what my baby said? Wow! That is the picture of many people. Sige, subukan mo. Lumabas ka sa bahay ngayon, mag-interview ka, tanong-tanong mo. Ask any person, Tom, Dick, and Harry, what do you want in life? Kunyari may microphone ka dala, what do you want in life? And they will tell you to be happy? May question mark pa. They do not know what they want in life. And listen, if you do not know what you want in life, you will not get it. Kung wala kang passionate desire for something, you will not get it. It's impossible. You need to know what you want in life. Kailangan alam na alam mo. And I'll give you another example, okay? Another wild example. Nasa restaurant ka. Umupo ka, biglang dumating yung waiter, okay? And then you ordered food already. Tapos biglang parang may kulang sa lamesa. So you say to the waiter, waiter, pahingi nga ng bakal. Of course, the waiter looks at you and says, bakal? Oh, pahingi ng bakal. Sige, bilisan mo, kailangan ko ng bakal. And so the waiter runs to the kitchen, comes out with a knife. And then you say, hindi yan bakal. And so, my example is preposterous. But the waiter runs back to the kitchen, runs back to you with a spoon. And you say, hindi yan. But bumalik, kailangan ko ng bakal. And so the waiter goes back to the kitchen, runs back with a tinidor. And then you say, yan ang hinahanap ko. Naku, ang hina naman ang service dito. And you complain. But why did you not get what you want? Because you were not specific in what you want. Now, ganun rin sa buhay. Kailangan specific ka kung ano ang gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo. You've got to have a passion. I love that word, passion. Many people, they wake up in the morning ganito, ano kaya gagawin ko sa buhay? Tapos they go to work, pagkatapos ng trabaho, babalik, and then they watch TV, and then they sleep. And then the next morning, gising ulit, trabaho na naman. And they don't think, what do I want 5 years from now? What do I want 10 years from now? They don't have that. Many years ago, I made a decision, I will write a mission statement. And that's what I did. I think it was one prayer meeting, pagkatapos ng isang prayer meeting, umuwi ako. I wrote down what I wanted to do with my life. And I asked God for blessing to speak to me. And so I wrote down lahat ng gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko. Sinulat ko doon, I will be the greatest husband in the world. Or my wife. I wrote down there, I will be the greatest father I can ever be to my children. Sinulat ko rin doon yung mga financial goals ko. Na ito ang magiging pera ko sa ganitong taon. Ganito ang ibibigay ko sa mahihirap sa ganitong taon. I just wrote down all my goals. Napuno ko yung 15 pages. Napaka-specific. Sinulat ko doon, I will be the greatest husband for my wife. Sinulat ko doon, I will kiss her 5, 6, 7 times a day. Sinulat ko doon, yayakapin ko ang misis ko 5, 6, 7 times a day. I will bring her out on a romantic date once a week. Maski mahal. I wrote down there that I will play with my children once a day and every day. And you know what? I got those 15 pages. And I would read them. This is no joke. Every morning, every single morning, I would get those 15 pages at babasahin ko. Talagang babasahin ko sa sarili ko at yun ang parang dasal ko. I would read it and guess what has happened? Guess what has happened? Yes. Yes, I kiss my wife 5, 6, 7 times a day. I bring her out on a romantic date at least once a week. Why? Because I read my mission statement and I pray for it. Naalala ko minsan dinate ko yung misis ko. Tapos sa gitna ng date na yon, biglang hinawakan niya yung kamay ko. Tapos pinisil niya yung kamay ko. And then, you know what she said? Bo, you are a great husband. And of course, my heart went like that. And I wanted to tell her, that's in page 3, paragraph 4. Araw-araw binabasa ko, I didn't say that. But that's what I'm trying to say. If you know what you want, and you want it with all your passion, and you make it to your every waking thought, na araw-araw kasama mo yung passion mo na yon, it's gonna happen more likely because, yes, God has given you the desire and God has given you the power and the ability to get what you want, but first of all, you've got to know what you want. Second thing, you've got to speak it forth. You've got to say it. Kailangan sabihin mo yung kailangan mo sa buhay mo. May nabasa ako. Ito nangyari ito sa States. Alam niyo yung McDonald's? Alam niyo? Pag nag-order ka ng hamburger or whatever, biglang may sasabihin yung teller ba tawag doon o yung tao doon na sa counter, biglang tatanungin ka do you want fries with that, sir? Gusto mo ba ng french fries kasama ng whatever hamburger o ano man ang in-order mo? Gusto mo ba ng french fries? Dagdag. Alam nyo, dahil sa simpleng tanong na yan, just one simple question, do you want fries with that? McDonald's earned $20 million in 1 year because of one simple question. Humingi ka. And that's our problem. Hindi tayo humihingi. Ask and you shall receive. And I'm not saying hingi sa Panginoon lang, but actually to make it alive and real. Ito yung problema natin, mga Pinoy. Ang akala natin, ang pagiging mahiyain at tahimik ay virtue. Ay, si Tina, ang bait. Bait, sobrang bait ni Tina. Bakit mabait si Tina? Kasi tahimik lang. Kaya mabait siya kasi tahimik? You know what? And here's another thing. Napaka-humble ni Tina. Humble ba yung tahimik? O shy lang siya? Friends, humility is a virtue. Timidity is a vice. Pag mahiyain ka at hindi ka nagsasalita at tahimik ka lang, kabaitan ba yon? What if the situation calls that you stand up and say something? Kasi may nangyayaring injustice. What if you need to speak up? Alam nyo, it's important to say what you want and to proclaim it to the universe and to proclaim it to yourself. My dear friends, again I speak to you person to person, heart to heart. Listen carefully. Know what you want and ask for it. And go with all your heart, because here's something I've discovered. The will of God, listen carefully, the will of God is not out there in the universe. It's not in the stars. The will of God is your deepest, deepest desire. When God made you, He already created that desire within you. And so go for it with all your passion and with all your heart.